going to show you how to create boxes, how to move them, how to delete them, and how to copy them. All right, so let's start with a blank web page. As you know, you can actually start by keying in purdy-purdy.com, and then you get this picture puzzle and you click go below web page. But there's another way of coming straight to this page, which is to just type purdy-purdy.com with a question mark new. Okay. All right, so we are here, and the first thing I want to show you is how you can add a box within a box, right? So let's say that we're into edit mode. All right, open this up. Let's say I'm going to create a web page of my favorite things, and that's the first box. I change that to sports, and I'm going to say my favorite sport is football, and maybe the second one is badminton, right? Okay, so within this box football, I'm now going to try to insert a new box, right? So I click on this, I select it, and then I click boxes and layout, and I click the first one which says new box inside. I click that, and I get a new box with letter B in it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image. So I go into Google search, and I search for football, and I take this first image or maybe this one here. I click that, I right click, and then copy image address, right? And then I come back here and I click on text and links. I click on link image. In this first part of the box, I paste it, right? Command V, and there you have it, the image. So what I've just done is I've created a box within the football box, and I've copied a link from Google Images into it, right? I can also create another box within this football box. I say new box inside, right? And this time I'm going to just type some words. So I click on text and links, and I'm going to say here, I like football because I feel happy when I score a goal. Okay. So that's adding a box within a box. Let me repeat with badminton. I select the badminton box, and I click new box inside. I go back into Google search and look for an image on badminton, and I think this looks good. I'll select that. I right click, copy image address, and then I come back here and I click link image. I copy it here, Command V or Control V, and then I can click back. Okay, now I can to create a box. I can also create a box next to the image. So I select the box with the image, and this time I say new box alongside. When I click that, it's the same as starting from badminton and clicking new box inside. Yeah? So because badminton is the parent box, and these two boxes are the child boxes. So I click this new box here, text and links, and I say I like badminton because it is a very fast sport. Okay. Okay, right. Um, so that's adding boxes inside and adding boxes to the side. Just want to show you, I can select badminton and I can click new box alongside. What do you think will happen when I click that? Yeah, it wraps around, yeah, because um, the reason why it wraps around is because I have designed this blue box, right, with a special layout, right? And let me just show you. I'll talk more about layout in a separate segment, but for now, let me just show you that. Well, when I click on layout, it says here that the current style, yeah, is grid 1-1, right? And if you look at grid 1-1, it has two boxes by the side, yeah. So that means there's one box here and another box here, exactly as you see on the screen. If I change this to grid 1-1-1, it'll be three boxes in a row, right? So I'll go back to grid 1-1. So that's why when you create a box, it just wraps around because sports is a grid 1-1 layout. Okay? I can come in here and say hockey, for example, and then I can again repeat the process. New box inside, come in here, click hockey, right, and then let me just take this, copy image address, come back in here, and then link the image. Okay, so um, you can also copy the entire box here. Let's say football. I could actually copy it, yeah, and then I could say, um, and then I could select another box. I could select hockey, and I can say paste alongside. As you can see, I've copied and pasted the entire football box, right? I can also come in here, or I could come in, I could select this yellow box, and I can also say paste inside. So when I paste inside, it actually creates another box alongside the existing boxes, the two existing boxes. And if I want to actually move this backwards, I can do that. I can just select it and then click move backward. Okay, and maybe here is something else I wanted to say. This is my favorite food, and then I can change the text to nasi lemak, and then I can come in here and select a text on nasi lemak. Right, let me just select this. And then so I'm changing the text to that, and then you say I like nasi lemak because of the spicy sambal. Okay, so there you have it, boxes within boxes. And I hope it gives you an idea of how um, to create boxes, because that's the very basic function within Putty.com. Okay, I hope that you have fun with Putty. Bye.